Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan your document on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first step is that your printer or scanner should be connected to your Windows 11 operating system. Now if you don't know how to connect your wireless printer to your Windows 11 operating system, I have already created a video about it and I will put the link in the description of this video. So you can see how you can connect your printer with your Windows 11 operating system. And once it's connected, you can see it by just searching for printers in your search bar. So just search for printers and scanners. And once this is open, you will be able to see your connected printer here. This is my default printer also. And if your printer is not visible, you can also search for the printer by just clicking on the add device option. Okay. So once your printer is connected, then what you need to do, you just need to search once again. So click on search option. So in this search window, you need to search for fax and scan option. Okay. And you will be able to see this result which says Windows fax and scan. So just click on this option, which is going to open this kind of window. Now at the bottom here, you can see the fax option. So when I click on the fax, it's going to show you this kind of window. And when I click on the scan, it's going to show you the scan window. So make sure you have selected scan at the bottom here. Once you have selected the scan option, you will be able to see the scan option here also. And now you can just click on the new scan option. So just click on new scan and you will be able to see your default scanner here. If you want to change the default scanner, you can click on the choose option and then select your default scanner and then click on OK. Okay. So your default scanner will be selected here, and now you can choose what you want to scan. So just put any document under your scanner and then you can just click on preview here. So when you click on preview, your scanner is going to scan your document. My scanner is right now scanning my document. So I will wait for that. And now the scan is finished, you can see, and now I can save this scanned document. Now on the left hand side, I can choose what type of document I want. I want to save this document as a photo or other document, and I can also select if I want the black and white scan or the color scan. So when I choose the black and white scan, it's going to save the scan as black and white. And if I choose the color scan, it's going to save the scan as colored scan, right? I can also choose the format. I can choose the PNG file or the other file formats if I have selected the photo option here, right? Let me select the PNG option. And also I can select the brightness, contrast, and the resolution from here, right? So you can always see the preview, and if you are happy with the preview, then you can click on the scan option. So I'm going to just click on the scan option, which is going to actually finish this scan, and it's going to save this document automatically on your Windows 11 operating system. So once the scan is finished, you can see that this image is scanned, and where is the location of this file. So this file is saved at a default location, which is called scanned document on your Windows 11 operating system. So once again, click on the search option and then just search for scanned documents. So just search for scanned documents, and this is the default folder where your scan will be saved. So just click on the scanned document folder, and you will be able to see your image which you have scanned here. So I can see the image name is image.png, and here also the name is same, and this is the file which is saved at this default location. So let me show you how you can resize your scan and how you can change the default location of your scanned document. So once again, click on new scan here, and then this time I'm going to choose the JPEG option, and then click on preview option, which is going to show me the preview once again. And now I can resize this scan document by just moving this area to the scanned document size. So I'm going to just reduce the area like this, and once I'm happy here, then I can press on the scan button, and it's going to just scan this much. So I will just let this process to finish, and once this document is scanned, I can just double click on this image which I have scanned, and it's going to open this image, and you can see this image from here, right? And also I can save this image, so I can just right click on this image and then click on save as, and I can save this image anywhere else. So I can change the location where I want to save this image. So let's say I want to save this image to the desktop. I can just select the desktop here, and then give a name to your scanned document. So I can just name it my scan here, and then I can choose the type. So I can choose these file types from here. I will choose the PNG, and then I can click on save, and it will be saved on my desktop. Okay, so this is how you can scan your documents on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.